Hello, my name is Charles Malky, biologist and plant expert with Ivory Organics, where we grow cool plants. And today we're here at the Orange County, California Rare Fruit Growers event. I've been a member of this organization for over 10 years. I'm predominantly in the Los Angeles area, but today I was invited to be here, the Orange County chapter, where we've donated Ivory Organic brand products to be a part of the raffle. And I'm standing here alongside Martha, who is the kind of brains of the operation, one of the leading chair members, persons of this organization, and thank you so very much for having us. And if you can share a little bit about what this organization is about. I see there's a ton of delicious, rare fruits, excellent lectures that are happening within the halls, and just fantastic people. I mean, I've always said that the plant people are the best people on this planet, and I'm so excited to be a part of today's organization. And if you can just share with the audience what we're all about.
Sure. The Festival of Fruit is an annual event. For the last quarter of a century, we've had annual meetings called the Festival of Fruit, and a different chapter of California Rare Fruit Growers would sponsor the event every year. When COVID came along, we weren't able to have meetings, and so we have not had one since 2019. This is the first one in 7 years. We are kicking it off again, and we have, as Charles said, excellent speakers. We have had for the last 4 days garden tours, commercial tours, social events in the evening, and then today is an all-day event with speakers, a raffle. We have vendors, we have a wonderful lunch. We have this gorgeous spread of fruit donated by Melissa's World Variety Produce, and we also have an amazing selection of fruit from Murray Family Farms up in Bakersfield. We also have tables here from several of our different CRFG chapters, and they're introducing you to what their particular chapters do. So that is where we are today. I'm happy to have Charles here. He's part of our vendor area, and look forward to having more people come out next year.
This is wonderful, Martha, and you have organized hundreds of people today, and it's impressive that it's been a 7-year gap since the last one, and I'm sure it'll continuously grow year after year after today, and thank you so very much for what you've done. For those of you that have missed this event, the next one is going to be up in Los Angeles, and I'll put all the details to participate in that later on this month. I believe it's on June 27th, but again, you'll find...
But not a festival of fruit. They'll be having a meeting.
Not a festival of fruit. It's going to be a plant sale and another gathering of growers that are enthusiastic about rare fruits in particular, and just meeting the fruit growing families of Southern California. That's really what it is. We see a lot of people from Orange County up in LA, and even people from San Diego that you draw to these events and beyond. So thank you so very much for what you've done, and wishing you all happy gardening.
For their stems, leaves, and trunks, I breathe.